Can you change your preferred location in McDonald's app after ordering? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll talk about if it's possible to change your preferred location in McDonald's app after you've ordered. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, you can simply head over to your McDonald's app and start exploring those options. So after you've done with that, this is McDonald's official website that says that they are unable to change your pickup location or pickup restaurant after you've placed your order in the app. So that means that you will need to make sure that you double check before you place your order. So there you can see you can cancel your order after using after if you've already ordered and cancel your order. After that, you can reorder your meal from the new restaurant and also at the new location. And after you do that, you are basically good to go. And that's the only thing that you can do to change your preferred location in McDonald's app. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.